doesn't remember, this is the spot last year where the water from the hurricane rain affected most of the buildings and stuff. As you can see, that's the church over there that was underwater. And we have rain for the last, I don't know, 4 or 5 days now, and this is what the brook looks like. It hasn't come up to the water, or to the road yet. The road is still dry. But this school right here last year was underneath probably about 3 feet of water. And you can see the brook right behind it is pretty high with water, but it hasn't done anything yet. So I'm just going to scroll up a little bit, show you what that looks like from another view. And there's another view of the brook where it's starting to run. And there's that church that was almost destroyed last year. You see the water's moving pretty quick. We got a lot of rain. On a brighter note, it doesn't look like anything is going to be destroyed this rainfall. A lot of people are worried. I see a lot of my friends checking their basements. They're making sure that they're not losing anything. I never seen water like I did last year. I'll probably never live long enough to see it again. I hope I don't. Don't mind my sound of my voice. I have a cold, so I have a cough drop. So hopefully we don't get flooded like we did last year. Up there it looks like it's raging. You can see it from where I'm sitting. A little bit up here too. It goes right through the heart of the city actually. And it crosses over on the other side. And the road crosses right there. So hopefully it's good.